Welcome back to the next video. In order to survive and grow, our cells have got to be able to divide. This also means the DNA. Chromosomes contain genetic information. Most cells in your body have a nucleus. The nucleus contains your genetic material in the form of chromosomes. Chromosomes are coiled up lengths of DNA molecules. Each chromosome carries a large number of genes. Different genes control the development of different characteristics. For example, hair color. Body cells normally have 2 copies of each chromosome, one from the organism's mother and one from its father. So humans have 2 copies of chromosomes, chromosome 1, 2 copies of chromosome 2, etc. Human cells have 23 pairs of chromosomes. The cell cycle makes new cells for growth, development, and repair. Body cells in a multicellular organism divide to produce new cells as part of a series of stages called the cell cycle. The stage of the cell cycle when the cell divides is called mitosis. Mitosis occurs in this very small section of the cell cycle. The rest of this cycle, the cells are growing and replicating their DNA. Mitosis is a very small section. You need to know about these 2 main stages of the cell cycle. So growth and DNA replication. In the cell that's not dividing, the DNA is all spread out in long strings. Before it divides, the cell has to grow and increase the amount of subcellular structures. These are things like mitochondria and ribosomes. It makes more of those so that there are enough for both cells to have. It then duplicates its DNA, so there's 1 copy for each new cell. The DNA is copied and forms X-shaped chromosomes. Each arm of the chromosome is an exact duplicate of the other. Once its contents and DNA have been copied, the cell is ready for mitosis. The chromosomes line up at the center of the cell, and cell fibers pull them apart. The 2 arms of the chromosomes go to opposite ends of the cell. Membranes form around each of the sets of chromosomes. These become the nuclei of the 2 new cells. The nucleus has divided. Lastly, the cytoplasm and the cell membrane divide. The cell has now produced 2 new daughter cells. The daughter cells contain exactly the same DNA and they are identical. Their DNA is also identical to the parent cell. So my question for you about this video, comment down below. Outline the events of the cell cycle that occur to create an identical copy of the parent cell. Comment down below. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.